Have you ever thought about turning something as simple as a Notion template into a steady stream of income? Most people see Notion as just a productivity tool, but it's actually a platform where creative ideas can become real, consistent earnings. In this video, I'm going to show you how selling simple Notion templates can create a side income or even grow into a full business, and why this approach is becoming more popular every year. I'll also share some practical tips to make your template stand out and attract buyers in a crowded digital space. Before we jump in, if you're curious about creative ways to make money online and want ideas that actually work, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my future tips. Why Notion templates are selling like crazy. Notion has millions of users organizing their entire lives on this platform. Students, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and everyday people are all using it. Here's the real opportunity. Most of these people don't want to build their systems from scratch. They want something that works immediately, something they can plug in and start using today. Think about it. When you need a recipe, you don't invent cooking from scratch. You find a tested recipe that works. Same exact thing with Notion. People know what they want to accomplish. They just need the framework to make it happen. And they're willing to pay for it. We're talking anywhere from $5 for simple templates to $50 or more for complex systems. The market is absolutely real, and it's growing every single day. Finding your template niche. You don't need some revolutionary, groundbreaking system. You need to solve a specific problem for specific people. The more focused you are, the better your results will be. Student planners are absolutely huge right now because students need to organize classes, assignments, and study schedules. Content creator dashboards sell well because YouTubers, TikTokers, and Instagram creators need to plan content calendars and track their performance. Freelancer management systems are in high demand because freelancers need to manage clients, invoices, and multiple projects. Budget trackers stay consistently popular because everyone wants better control over their money. Habit trackers appeal to people focused on self-improvement. Recipe organizers for cooking enthusiasts. Book trackers for avid readers. Fitness planners for gym-goers. Wedding planners for engaged couples. The possibilities are genuinely endless. Here's my best advice. Pick something you actually know about or use yourself. If you're a student, create student templates. If you're building better habits, make a habit tracker. If you're a freelancer, build freelancer tools. When you create something you truly understand and personally use, it absolutely shows in the quality. You'll know exactly what features actually matter, what problems come up in real use, and how to make it genuinely helpful instead of just looking pretty. That authenticity and real-world understanding is exactly what makes templates sell consistently. Creating your first template. You're not building the Sistine Chapel here. You're building something clean, functional, and helpful. The best templates are usually the simplest ones because people can actually understand how to use them. Start with the basics. Think about the main things your user needs to do. Making a content calendar? They need to plan posts, track what's published, and brainstorm ideas. That's 3 main sections. Create databases for each and a dashboard that shows everything at a glance. Use Notion's built-in features like Calendar View, Table View, and Kanban boards. Make it look good, but don't go crazy. Use icons, add color coding that makes sense, create clear headers. But remember, if someone feels overwhelmed when they open it, they won't use it. Keep it clean and intuitive. Test it yourself for at least a week. Actually use the template like you're the customer. This testing phase is where good templates become great. Setting up your shop and pricing. Gumroad is probably the easiest place to start. Super simple setup, they handle payments, and you can be selling in under an hour. Etsy works great for lifestyle-focused templates. There's already a huge audience looking for digital products there. Notion's template gallery is worth submitting to for free exposure. Create a simple landing page with Carrot or even a Notion page itself. Having your own space to build an email list and showcase templates gives you way more control than just marketplaces. Pricing is where people usually underprice. Think about it this way. How much time does your template save someone? If it saves 3 hours and their time is worth $20 an hour, That's $60 of value. Charging $15 or $20 is completely reasonable. Start between $10 and $30. You can always adjust. Marketing your templates. Making the template is the easy part. Getting people to know it exists, that's the real work. But you don't need to be a marketing genius. Use social media consistently. Take screenshots of your template in action. Show before and after. Record quick walkthrough videos. Post on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, wherever your customers hang out. Use relevant hashtags and actually engage with comments. Reddit can be surprisingly good. Find subreddits for your niche and participate in discussions. Give free advice, and when relevant, mention your template. Be a real person, not a billboard. Create YouTube videos or blog posts about the problem your template solves. Teach something valuable for free, then mention your template at the end. This builds trust while marketing. Consider giving away a simplified free version. Let people test your quality. If they like the free version, many will upgrade to the paid one. Turning one template into multiple streams. Don't stop at one template. Create variations with more features and charge more. Bundle templates together at a discount. People love deals and you're increasing your order value. Create template subscriptions where people get new templates monthly. Even at $10 a month, 50 subscribers equals $500 recurring. That's the holy grail. Offer customization services for people who need tweaks. This higher ticket work brings in $50 to $200 per project. Create a course teaching Notion with your templates as bonuses. Now, you're selling education and tools together for way more money. Keeping customers happy. This is where a real business separates itself from a one-off sale. Don't just hand over the template and walk away. Provide clear, step-by-step instructions. Assume your buyers have never used it before. Show them exactly how to duplicate, customize, and get the most out of your template. The easier you make it for them, the happier they'll be. Offer solid support. Respond to emails within a day or two. Fast, helpful customer service not only prevents frustration, it earns glowing reviews and word-of-mouth referrals. Update your templates when the platform adds new features, and send those updates to everyone who purchased. This keeps your product relevant and builds loyalty. Leverage social proof. Ask satisfied customers for reviews. They're incredibly persuasive for new buyers. Start building an email list from day one. These are people who already trust you and have bought from you once, making them highly likely to purchase again. Send occasional updates, tips, or new templates. Treating your template business like a real, customer-focused operation turns it from a simple side hustle into a sustainable, repeatable income source. Common mistakes to avoid. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your design or workflow. If it takes a 10-minute video just to explain how to use it, you've gone too far. Buyers want something easy to understand and implement. Also, don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Add your own twist. Unique templates that stand out will always get more attention. Transparency is crucial. Show enough of the template before someone buys it. Use screenshots, demos, or short walkthroughs. People want to know exactly what they're getting. Clarity sells, mystery doesn't. Patience matters. Don't give up if your first template doesn't become a hit immediately. That's completely normal. Most successful template creators have built multiple templates over time, gradually growing a catalog that consistently earns. Consistency and persistence are what pay off. Finally, treat this like a real business, not a hobby. Track your income, reinvest in better tools, and stay organized. Those who make serious money from templates approach it professionally. They plan, they optimize, and they treat every sale as part of a bigger strategy. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with focus and professionalism, it's absolutely achievable. When you think about it, selling Notion templates isn't just about making money. It's about solving small problems for people in a simple, elegant way. The concept may sound small, but it can add up to a consistent income if you approach it strategically. I'd love to know, if you tried selling a Notion template, what kind of template would you create first? Drop your ideas in the comments. I always enjoy reading them and seeing what people are building. If this video gave you some inspiration for a creative, low-barrier way to earn online, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start their own digital side hustle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.